Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This video is about Premiere. This app is an app that for people to edit videos. It's really powerful and it's not really hard to understand and use. So let's start. First, I want to give you guys an introduction. So to create a new project, usually you can just select one videos you already had, or you can use the sample media Premiere provide for us to quickly get a start. So for example, we can select several of them and then just go create. Cool. And then when we get inside, create a new project, this is the view that you will see. So this panel is like where we can see our videos. Like with this thing is the timeline. So when you kind of draw it, it will kind of show the video. And then this panel is all the source you use in the video, these files you're editing. And then here is the tools we use to kind of edit our video. So this one is the selection tool. So with the quick command, hit V, you can quickly get it out. So usually we use this one to select different script. And then this one is the nice, I call it nice. Like we can use it to cut the videos and music and voice, record, whatever. And this one is pen tool. We can use it to draw a kind of line or shape on the top of our video. And the layer is really similar to kind of Illustrator and InDesign. So if I put this shape underneath, then the video will cover the geometry I just draw. So if you want to show the geometry on top of your video, then you have to put this layer up, this script on the top of the video. And this is the timeline. It decides like what you can see on this panel. So if you want to edit this video, you can't just only select it. You have to move the timeline to this video, this script. Then you can edit this script. Okay, and this is just the shape rectangle tool. You can kind of draw a rectangle on top of it. And then this is hand tool. With this small hand, you can kind of move the script really quick. And then this is the text tool. You can type a text on top of your video and maybe do a subtitle with it. And when you're holding the Alt key and then scroll your mouse, you can kind of zoom in and zoom out. And when you kind of want to move the script, like move the script to find the other script, then you just hit H to get the small hand comes out, and then you can move it. Okay, so here like explain the script for you guys, like the V1, V2, V3, these are where we put the videos, and underneath it is A1, A2, A3, open with begin with A. Those are the volumes and like background music we put. And sometimes like when we drop in a video, it will come with voice, right? So and when we kind of want to only delete the voice, however, when we select the voice, it always come with the video, and when we delete it, they will delete together. So how can we solve this problem? It's really easy. Just select the video and then right click and we go to unlink, and then we can easily delete the voice from the video. Okay, so this is the quick introduction of the base use for Premiere. I hope this can help you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.